questions, but I want to speak to the fact that we had just got approval for a Fiat on ramp for drip, dogs, and pigs. And this is
Hmm.
huge because it's going to allow people to buy drip, dog, and pigs on our sites with credit and debit cards. So that's massive.
Yeah,
I
let's
think
stress
that
that part
especially,
again, right? Because sometimes people kind of get lost. I think that if you don't have a break between you saying things, other people saying things. So I just really want to stress this to everyone that's listening. He's saying that there's now the ability coming up to be able to buy using your credit and your debit card directly on the website, correct?
yeah, and this is not into B&B. So there's some other Fiat on ramps where you can buy B&B on the site and then use that B&B to buy whatever token. This is directly into our tokens, and it'll be on our website. So there'll be a link for a Fiat option. You'll click on it. You'll pick the currency that you want to buy with, like USD or the euro, and then you could put in your. So we're using a third party basically. The reason for this because obviously we don't want to be directly collecting people's credit and debit information. So we're using a company that handles the payment processing, and you buy directly into our token. So they what they do is act as an intermediate between your bank and PancakeSwap. So when you put in your credit information or your debit information, you say I want to buy $100 worth of drip. You do that transaction. They buy the drip off PancakeSwap and they send it to your wallet. And that's so big because especially for drip because there's so many people out there that are shilling drip to their friends, their family, their coworkers, all kinds of people. And then there's that huge barrier of okay, I'm interested, it sounds very cool, how do I get involved? And then it's a 15-step process
Yeah.
of okay, you need to set up the wallet, you need to go to maybe Binance or FTX or wherever, you need to KYC with them, you need to buy these tokens, you need to set up the wallet, you need to wait like a 48-hour period before you can withdraw from the exchange. It's way too much. And now it's going to be check out drip, it's this cool thing, how do I get involved? Well, you can buy it right on the site right now. You can use your debit card or your credit card, and they buy it. All they have to do is set up a MetaMask now. So they buy it, it gets sent to their MetaMask, and they can get right in. And not only will this make it so it's so much easier for onboarding, there's at least one person that I know that has a chain of gas stations, and he's very interested in basically setting up kiosks in his gas station. So just like a Bitcoin ATM, people will be able to go to his kiosk, buy drip, and stake it right in his gas stations. And of course, he gets the referral reward when they do this, and it's going to be amazing for him because the average person, they've heard about crypto, they're interested in crypto, they know people are making a lot of money in crypto, they don't know where to start. But
Right.
when you have a simple kiosk like this that's advertising, get involved in crypto, make this ROI, and it's as simple as you go up to this kiosk, you put in debit or credit information, you buy it, and then it automates the process, staking on your behalf under his team address, and now that person can come in, once a week, every couple of days, and basically check on their account, withdraw, do basically anything they want, like it was a regular ATM. That's a massive opportunity that I know at least one person who's very interested in doing that. And I see there's people going around with drip trucks, like their whole truck is wrapped in drip, advertisement merch. There's people who have drip, in their businesses as far as advertising. People are wild about drip, and I know there's going to be at least a handful of business owners that are interested in doing this kind of thing. And I feel like the Fiat on ramp is really going to take drip to the next level because it can really become viral at that point, not just among crypto people.
I'm excited for it. So speaking of drip, this is actually going to tap into my next question. So I'm sort of going into drip, going into BNB, right? When we
Uh,
look at BNB and we look at how progress is made, many people are looking